Hi, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is your elevator pitch. So often people ask me, what's an elevator pitch? Well, it just means that if you're in an elevator, you're going up a few floors and someone says to you, what do you do? It's a very concise way, very clear, where you put across exactly where your product, service or solution can help that other person. So you might have a few different elevator pitches depending on who the potential customer might be. And I want to get your team to be quite highly skilled in narrowing down exactly what their elevator pitch is. And if you're going to an exhibition stand or you're going to a networking event, then really make sure you understand who are the people there that they're talking to so that they can be very clear with what their product, service or solution can offer for them. If you found this useful, then do share. If you want to know more about how to refine your elevator pitch, what to do at a networking event or an exhibition, or just generally how to grow your business fast, then subscribe below. I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.